Number 11 English carpenter, Telugu ಮೇಡಿ ಮೇಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಬಡಾಯಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮರೆಗೆ. Number 12 English postman, Telugu ತಪಾಲವಾಡು, ಹಿಂದಿ ತಕಿಯಾ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂಚೆವಾಲಿ. Number 13 English pilot, Telugu pilot, hindi pilot, ಕನ್ನಡ pilot. Number 14 English scientist, Telugu వైజ్ఞానికుడు, ಹಿಂದಿ వైజ్ఞానిక్, కన్నడ వైజ్ఞానిక్. Number 15 English artist, Telugu కళాకారుడు, ಹಿಂದಿ కళాకార్, కన్నడ కళాకారు. Number 16 English singer, Telugu గాయకుడు, ಹಿಂದಿ గాయకి, కన్నడ హద్దుగార. Number 17 English dancer, Telugu నర్తకి, ಹಿಂದಿ నర్తకి, కన్నడ నర్తకి. Number 18 English barber, Telugu మంగలి, ಹಿಂದಿ ನಾಯಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ. Number 19 English sweeper, Telugu sweeper, ಹಿಂದಿ ಜಾಡುವಾಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವೀಪರ್. Number 20 English shopkeeper, Telugu ದುಕಾನ್ದಾರುಡು, ಹಿಂದಿ ದುಕಾನ್ದಾರ್, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂಗಡಿದಾಯನು. Awesome job friends, now you know how to speak jobs and occupations in 4 languages. Keep practicing daily and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon for more notifications. Bye bye.